Well, it's Saturday and the ice storm has started. It's already building up on the glass panels on the deck, and you can hear the ice sounding like broken glass against the windows. So I've dragged out my knitting, and when the hydro goes out, this is a perfect project to work away at. This is a pair of socks that I'm making on the left. It's the second one, so I'm getting there. And this one I didn't make. I bought it at a craft fair, and I really like it. And the next pair I will definitely follow that pattern to see how I like it. This is going to be the color that I'll use. It'll probably come up into a nice stripe pattern knitting away. Now I couldn't resist getting a picture of this feeder. It looks magnificent, something from a medieval castle or maybe a really cool Christmas ornament. And then there's this. This is the next day. After being awake all night listening to what sounds like shotguns going off multiple times a minute as the trees, when they're loaded down with ice, explode under all that weight. This is the stand of trees north of the house before, and this is the after. This is only a small part of the damage throughout this property. This is a retailer in town, and through his kindness, he gives out free water. Now I'm just whipping up a coffee, adding in some milk, stirring in some cinnamon for some flavor and sweetness. And I'm going to sip on this and pretend that it's not real yucky outside.